Hey there, Matthew here. I have the new Beats Studio Buds Plus. These are the successors to the Beats Studio Buds. These were really good true wireless earbuds with a couple of flaws in them, but for the most part they were really good, and it was Apple playing nice with the likes of Android. So their successor, the Beats Studio Buds Plus, are here. And we're going to quickly unbox this, give a first impression, and later on I will do a full in-depth review, so stay tuned. Okay, so first let's get over the quick tech specs of these. These come in 3 different colors. You do have your transparent color here, which I'm really excited about. This is transparency, brings it back to like the 1990s, where you had, or the early 2000s, I guess, where you had the transparent Nintendo 64 gaming controller. I believe it was also the Game Boy Advanced or Game Boy Advance Color, one of those transparent ones. I had one of those. It was really cool. I really liked it. So I'm glad we have the transparency of this. Companies like OnePlus has been doing it too. So it's awesome that we do get that in this right here, this product. This comes in 2 other colors. You do have the black and gold, and then the ivory color as well. These retail for $169.99, so they are a little bit more expensive, about $20 more expensive than the original Beats Studio Buds right here. But supposedly there are some upgrades that are probably worth the upgrade and the extra $20, so we'll kind of look into that as well. We do get active noise cancellation with transparency mode, and apparently the active noise cancellation is, I believe, 1.6 times better than it was in the original, along with better transparency mode. You do get up to 36 hours with ANC off. And so that's, I believe that's 9 hours. Yeah, 9 hours on each earbud with 27 hours in the case. Of course, that does change a little bit when you do have ANC on, so be aware of that. This does have a powerful balanced sound. So ever since Apple took over Beats, bought out Beats, the sound has been less bassy and more of a balanced sound, which I really do like. Beats before Apple, they were really bass heavy and it just didn't sound all that great, but I will say Beats has come a long way since being acquired by Apple, and they do sound a lot more balanced from what I've heard in the Beats Studio Buds, the Beats Fit Pro, those kind of products. So I'm excited to see how it sounds with this. These are compatible with Android and Apple, so enhanced compatibility. So I am glad that you do get the functions of these with both the iPhone and, let's say, your Google Pixel or your Samsung or any Android phone that you may have. So that's really cool that you do get that. The mics on these are 3 times larger than they were before, so that should be better for enhanced calling, which is really good. I am excited to try that out later on as well with a busy crowd and all that. I know I'm going on a trip in a little bit, and so I will be able to test that out on these. Sadly, there is no wireless charging from what I hear on these, but it is what it is. You can only do so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox these and see just how they look, how they feel, just the first impressions of these. So there's 2 tabs here, so there's no need for a knife, just FYI, so you can just kind of move that over, and here you go. And in the box, we do get just everything is in this cool, nice little package right here. So on the front, you do get the earbuds themselves. On the back here, you get 4 different ear tips. So the mediums, I believe, are pre-installed on the earbud themselves, while you do get a large, a small, and then you get an extra small. So that is good that they kind of went the same way with, let's say, I believe AirPods Pro 2 also did that, where they gave you the extra small as well. And then right here, you do get a very small USB-C to USB-C cable, so that means these do charge via USB-C instead of Lightning cable, so be aware of that. But This is honestly very small, and I honestly don't quite understand who would use such a small one unless you have it like on a desk with, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna toss it. But we're gonna move on to the actual paperwork right here. You do get you get a Beats sticker. As you know, with Beats, you get just the now pair with great music, so your Apple Music, and then just some warranty, stuff like that. And then right here, you get quick pairing, open lids. So the cool thing about these is that, yes, they are owned by Apple, but they also work really well with Android phones as well. And so you do get that quick pairing function. And so that's all you get here. So I'm gonna toss that. I'm gonna move this to the side. And so yeah, these apparently, I believe they said were like 80 or 90% re-engineered with new components inside. So even though they do look very similar, I mean, minus the transparency, but they are very similar to the Beats Studio Buds right here. So, but these were re-engineered from the inside. I think the outside is very much similar other than different colors, but anyways, quick pairing on this, all you have to do is open up the case and it will quick pair to your device, which is pretty cool. I really like that. So we're gonna show that off right here. So I've got my phone here and I'm gonna go quick pair. I'm gonna just open this up. And hopefully, just like that, it pops up and you can do connect right there, and you can download the Beats app. And so I'm gonna install, and it's going to connect automatically there, which is really cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and agree, and I'm gonna scroll down and agree here. And just like that, you do get the Beats app and everything is ready to go. So I'm gonna go get started. I'm just gonna skip for now, and I'm gonna say don't send. I don't really want to do that. So let's see here, Bluetooth permissions. I'm gonna give it Bluetooth permissions. We're gonna do Beats Studio Buds Plus. Got it. And just like that, cool. It's gonna give you some tutorials on how to use these. So to end the call, you press twice, or you can do press once. So I'm gonna do press once. But right here is the app itself. I don't know if you can see that, but you do have the beats that you have. So I like how I got the transparency Beats Studio Buds Plus, so it shows the transparency Beats Studio Buds Plus here, which is really cool. You do have this, so you have noise cancellation, you do have off, and you do have transparency mode, which is really, really nice. What else is there? You can rename your earbuds right here. And then also product feature, explore, you can explore kind of how to use the controls. So the fit, the pause, play, next track, all that, multifunction button, controls, ANC on, press and hold multifunction button on either earbud to cycle through noise cancellation and transparency mode, calls, charging, so you can charge the case via the USB-C port in the bottom of the case right there. Sadly, I wish there was wireless charging, but not on these. And that's it for the exploring. You can change your noise cancellation, like how to do the noise cancellation and the volume. So you can change noise cancellation on the left earbud or right earbud, or you can do volume up, volume down, stuff like that. Just kind of the different multifunction controls. I'm gonna do kind of noise cancellation right there, but you can, through the noise cancellation, you can also do a voice assistant, or you can do different controls. You can do off, you can do transparency, or noise cancellation. So I'm gonna leave everything kind of the same. And now let's keep on going. Call controls, press once to answer a call, press once to end a call, or you can change that ending a call by pressing twice. I'm gonna do press twice, that way it's not the same. The mics, always left earbud, always right earbud, automatically switch. So that means that these can be used independently, which is really nice. I do like that. Of course, you get your firmware and your product name, your serial number and all that. So, and that's all there is really for these earbuds right here on the app version. So we're gonna get these out, and my first impressions are these look really nice. I like the transparency of these. It's really cool. You can see all the different components of these. Let's see if I can, here you go. You can see the different components. You can see the hinge right there is really cool to see. The charging, the battery, and everything like that. It's just really cool to see USB-C. You do have the light here. I don't know if you can see that light. It's saying that it is being charged. So we're gonna take these out, and it's cool that you can kind of see inside a little bit there. So that's cool. And I do like the nice, satisfying click. Of course, you did have that with these as well. So here are the Beats Studio Buds Plus. They are very similar to the regular Beats Studio Buds, as you can see here. Nothing too crazy. Basically the same. Let me see if I can get the other one. There we go. Okay, so Beats Studio Buds Plus and regular Beats Studio Buds. Very similar, very same design really, charging, all that. Very similar. I'm just gonna put these in my ears. See how the noise cancellation is. So let's see, Beats app. So I currently don't have, I have the transparency mode on, and it's not the best. It definitely feels like I have my ears plugged, but I will say it's not too bad. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't sound like anything like the AirPod Pros when they have the transparency mode on, but that's just me. But then noise cancellation off, and then noise cancellation on. And it's not bad, it's not the best, but I mean, it is pretty good, I will say. Especially for earbuds this small, and they are very comfortable. They fit very nice, and these are, the medium earbuds are pre-installed in the box with these, so just be aware of that. But yeah, those are the Beats Studio Buds Plus here. If you want to get a sense of the case size, let's just look at the AirPods Pro case, which everybody considers these the gold standard for case size, weight, everything like that. These kind of just disappear in my pocket. A lot of times they slide out of my pocket and I don't even realize it. This is the size of the AirPods Pro case, Beats Studio Buds Plus case. As you can see, the Beats Studio Buds Plus case is a little bit thicker and a little bit longer, and then it is a little bit bigger there, so just be aware. It's not like massively bigger, but it is a little bit bigger, so it is going to take a little bit more room in your pocket. But I do like that it is kind of almost like a gloss matte, almost like a matte finish, but it is transparent. Overall, they look and feel very nice. Man, I do love that click. It's just so nice. But anyways, I will test these out and use these for a while, and then I'll come back with a review of these earbuds. Again, $169.99 for these. They come in transparency, a black/gold, and then an ivory color. And these are these are the successor to the Beats Studio Buds. These actually feel a little bit heavier, but not a whole lot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. This has been my Beats Studio Buds Plus unboxing and walkthrough and first impressions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.